How to edit your message on Zoom. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit your message on Zoom easy and fast. So first thing, go to Zoom. Now let's go to any conversation. Okay, let's go to this channel right here, and let's say that you want to edit this message right here. All what you have to do is click on those three dots right here down to your message and go to edit message. Click on it, and now you can edit it as you want, like this, and it's edited easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.